Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. The operation of the 1300 horsepower Jens machine is truly remarkable. This powerhouse of a machine is engineered for efficiency and performance in heavy-duty tasks, particularly in forestry and agricultural sectors. Equipped with a robust engine, the Jens machine effortlessly handles massive amounts of biomass, converting it into valuable products like wood chips, mulch, and biofuel. Its advanced technology allows for seamless operation, with features such as automatic feed control, adjustable chip sizes, and user-friendly interfaces. The machine's sheer power is evident in its ability to process large logs and tree stumps with ease, significantly reducing the time and labor required for such intensive tasks. Moreover, the Jens machine is designed with durability and reliability in mind, ensuring consistent performance even under the most demanding conditions. Its innovative design minimizes downtime and maintenance, making it a preferred choice for professionals in the industry. Not only does the Jens machine excel in performance, but it also incorporates environmentally friendly practices. By converting waste wood into usable products, it contributes to sustainable resource management and reduces the carbon footprint. Overall, the 1300 horsepower Jens machine stands as a testament to advanced engineering, combining power, efficiency, and sustainability in one impressive package. The performance of the DZH-6000 is truly exceptional, setting new standards in the industry. This powerful machine is equipped with a robust engine that effortlessly handles massive amounts of biomass. Its capability to convert raw materials into valuable products such as wood chips, mulch, and biofuel makes it an indispensable asset for operations that require efficient and effective biomass processing. One of the standout features of the DZH-6000 is its internal drive roller system. The Diamond Z6000TKT internal drive roller exemplifies advanced engineering, ensuring smooth and reliable operation even under the most demanding conditions. This component is integral to the machine's performance, providing the necessary power and stability to process large quantities of biomass with minimal downtime. The DZH-6000's internal roll drive further enhances its operational efficiency. By incorporating this advanced drive system, the machine achieves superior torque and control, enabling it to handle tough materials with ease. This feature not only improves the machine's throughput but also extends its operational lifespan, making it a cost-effective solution for biomass processing. DZH-6000 is a powerhouse in the biomass industry, combining a robust engine with advanced internal drive technology. Its ability to convert biomass into valuable products efficiently and reliably makes it a top choice for professionals seeking high-performance machinery. Whether it's producing wood chips, mulch, or biofuel, the DZH-6000 stands out as a versatile and durable machine that delivers exceptional results. Next, the Vermeer HG 6000 Tier 4750 horsepower crusher is a powerful machine designed to efficiently crush stumps, transforming them into chips. This new generation chipper is a testament to modern engineering, offering enhanced performance and environmental benefits. With a robust 750 horsepower engine, the HG 6000 is built to handle the toughest jobs, effortlessly breaking down large stumps into manageable wood chips. The Tier 4 engine meets the latest emission standards, making the HG 6000 not only powerful but also environmentally friendly. Its advanced features ensure that it operates smoothly and reliably, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The Vermeer HG 6000 is an ideal solution for forestry operations, land clearing, and wood recycling projects, providing a reliable and efficient way to convert stumps into valuable wood chips. This machine's ability to turn cumbersome stumps into useful chips demonstrates its remarkable functionality and efficiency. The HG 6000 chipper represents a significant advancement in wood processing technology, showcasing how innovative machinery can enhance productivity and sustainability in various industries. In Albstadt, the Fendt 1042 Vario and Eschelbach-Biber 92 MHA are being utilized for an essential tree disposal project on private property. The Fendt 1042 Vario, renowned for its robust performance and versatility, teams up seamlessly with the Eschelbach-Biber 92 MHA wood chipper to handle the demanding task of chipping felled trees efficiently. The Eschelbach-Biber 92 MHA, a high-capacity wood chipper, is specifically designed for processing large volumes of wood quickly and effectively. When paired with the powerful Fendt 1042 Vario tractor, it ensures that even the most substantial and stubborn tree trunks are reduced to manageable wood chips in no time. This combination not only enhances the speed and efficiency of the tree disposal process, but also contributes to environmentally friendly practices by producing wood chips that can be repurposed for landscaping, mulch, or biomass energy production. The synergy between the Fendt 1042 Vario And the Eschelbach Biber 92 MHA exemplifies the optimal use of advanced agricultural machinery in sustainable forestry management.